Hi, my name is Bree Heaton, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add polynomial expressions. The essential question we will be addressing is how do you add polynomial expressions, a standard covered in Mathematics 1 under the Georgia curriculum. Our standard for today is MM1A2. We have the following example: 6x squared minus 5x plus 3 plus 2x squared minus 15. The first step when trying to add polynomial expressions is to identify like terms. Like terms are the same variable raised to the same power or numerical values. Now, the numbers that you add, of course, have to be non-irrational numbers, so they have to be rational numbers. Okay, so we're going to begin by identifying our like terms. We start off with the 6x squared, and I look to my second polynomial to see if I have another x squared term, and I see that I do. I have 2x squared. So I'm going to put a box around these two. I like to use shapes to help me identify them. Then I go to my negative 5x. I notice I don't have an x term in the second polynomial. So negative 5x will not be added with anything. It will simply follow behind the x squared term. Finally, I look at 3 and negative 15, and these are numerical values, so I know that I will be able to add those together. So I'm going to use a different shape. Notice how I include the sign with the negative 15. That's very important. Step 2, we are going to actually combine these two polynomials. Notice the sign in the middle tells us to add. Today, that's all we're focusing on, but in the future, you will learn how to subtract as well. So if I'm going to add 6x squared plus 2x squared, I add the coefficients in front. So I'm going to add 6 plus 2, and I keep x squared. I arrive at 8, so I have 8x squared. The next step I do is I look to see if I have any x's, which we know we don't. So I have 8x squared minus 5x. Again, remember to take the sign with you. This negative 5x needs to have a negative 5x. Finally, I'm going to combine 3 plus negative 15. Which will give me negative 12. So our final result is 8x squared minus 5x minus 12. That's it.